Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer outfits. Some of these outfits I wore while I was in Mexico. Some of them I planned and didn't get a chance to wear, but I'm still super excited and I had a lot of fun putting these outfits together. So let's chit chat and build some outfits together. Okay, these are some of my favorite because I feel like they help me kind of like get outside my comfort zone of outfits that I wear all the time. And sometimes having so many clothes can actually make getting dressed harder because I feel like, I don't know, especially since I gravitate more towards basics, everything can kind of be the same. So it's like, tried to pull out some fun colors and cool things and elevate my summer wardrobe. But let's go ahead and jump into look number 1. I did in fact wear this, I think. I don't remember, you guys. It was a blur, it was fun, it was great. And I like wanted and had full intentions of like filming while I was there, but you know what? I just got caught up in the moment and enjoyed my vacation with my family, and it was incredible, and our friends. So yeah, let's do it anyways. I'll walk you through it. So right before I was leaving, I grabbed this little set from Abercrombie, and I knew I loved this because I have linen shorts, but I have nothing like fun like this. These are not linen. These are like maybe they are linen. I don't know. They're very, very light, but they are lined, and I love them. I think, oh no, I didn't rip out the tag yet. What are these? Why are reading their tags like insanely hard? Body lining, what does that even mean? I think it's just cotton. I don't know. Anyhow, loved these. And it came with a little, well, the top is different, but it is mixed match. You'll see the top later, but I'm gonna style them separate because it's easy to style them together. So let's pop these on. I think these are just so fun and girly. Borderline, give PJs, but also like, don't care, so cute. So I wanted to style these in a way that kind of like mixed the feminine with the masculine. So let's put on a fun little button-up top that was very bright and colorful. My head is itching and I don't know why. Okay, so I really loved the fact that this shirt has a lot of white in it, but it's also just like a very fun pop of blue. I did wear this. It's perfect. So button this up. And I also like that these sleeves kind of stay out. I know you may be thinking this isn't really like beachy or whatever, but like to me it is, and I love this all year round though. I think I would wear this everywhere. Okay, how I styled it though is, let me take this hair down. I'm all about like super fun necklaces. And I loved the color of this with the shirt. So it's like orangey, kind of almost like a coppery orange, orangey brown, if you will. I am like obsessed with jewelry and necklaces and bracelets and all that right now. Just kind of peeks out a little bit, nothing crazy, but I just think it's really fun. You can see he's so cute. And then some basic sandals. I really wore my Havaianas like everywhere. They were just so easy, but I did love this with this. This is how I intended to wear it. I don't know if I wore this full outfit. I definitely did, but I did not wear it. Oh yes, I did wear it with these sandals. I don't remember, you guys. Who cares, right? And then I went in my little hat. I love these hats from H&M. And then you guys convinced me to keep the little red duct tape bag. That's what I called it. And I'm obsessed. I loved this. I brought this to the beach. I brought this to the pool. It was kind of incredible. And I kind of love it. I know I was like, I don't know if it's worth it. And it's not like the best thing in the world, but honestly, I used it way more than I thought I would. And I kind of loved it. So this came with me everywhere. So it was my only little like pool bag, and it works because it's made of plastic. So isn't this fun? Isn't this so cute? I have to move this plant. Out of my way, sir. Get in my way. There you go. Isn't this so cute? It's like so much color, but it all like works and complements each other so well. I dug this. I loved this so much. I think I have all my sunglasses. Oh no, I have a pair of sunglasses. I only brought these in black and brown because they're just truly my favorite sunnies. So this was the first look. I think this is so cute. Perfect for summer. I love a girly frilly short with like a fun, I don't know, I think this summer I'm really just going to lean into color and bold and little things that just like this would look fine with just a pair of white linen shorts, but like it's kind of fun because it's got some extra frilliness, you know? All right, let's move on to look number 2. I got the Quince dresses hemmed, the ones that you guys were like, don't do it, and I did it, okay? And I'm not mad about it. I'm so happy I did it because I love them now, and I wore all of them while I was away. So here, I didn't actually wear this exact outfit, but this is what I would have wanted to, but I was trying to be kind of conservative with how many things I brought. I think I did a great job. I still overpacked, but like probably half of what I normally overpack. So that's a win. So let's put on my little shift dress from Quince. And I also did just get this in the red gingham. Like, are you kidding? And this is probably a little bit longer than my other ones, but I'm thinking it'll shrink. And I don't know if I'm gonna get this one hemmed. I grabbed this one in an extra small compared to the other ones, which I have in smalls. So let's put on our little Quince shift dress. I can't remember if I wore this one or the spaghetti strap one to this wine tasting we did, but I think it was one or the other. Hold on. You're gonna be like, it's too short. I know right now because my hands are over my head, okay? But look, to the fingertips, not too short. I think it looks so cute. Guys, my allergies have been so bad this year. Like right before we left for Mexico, I lost my voice because my throat, I had so much like post-nasal drip that my throat had gotten raw and I couldn't talk. And then I've still like, I'm not a girl who like blows my nose every morning. Like that's just not something. I'm blowing my nose like 7 times a day and that's just like abnormal for me. And I'm taking allergy medicine. I don't know what it is. It's not like an infection because it's not like green. You guys are like, okay, girl, we don't care. Anyway, I would have loved to bring these, but I wasn't gonna bring them just for one outfit. And then, okay, so my theme of this year is scarves and big chunky jewelry, but I think that's kind of everyone's theme this year, which works. I love it. I don't care. And I wore this around the waist, and I love this over just like a simple white dress. I think it's adorable. And then let's jazz her up with some jewelry. I feel like red is like really obvious. Should we go to a different color? Maybe we should do this one. Yeah, let's do this one because the red is like very, of course, you know what I mean? Whereas this I feel like is a little more fun. I need these necklaces in literally every single color. They are just so perfect. I got an opal while I was there, my opal ring. I kind of love it so much. It's like, yes, so cute. Okay, so I think this is a version of what I wore wine tasting. I either wore my spaghetti one or this. I can't remember exactly. We were just like rushing from pool to beach to activities. It was just awesome. But this is look number 2. This is going to be a staple all summer long. I'm loving the chunky jewelry. I'm loving the bright fun skirt. And you guys know like my goal this year was to kind of fall in love with dresses again. And I think this is a way that's just like really easy, really me. And I'm loving the little fisherman sandals. So that was look number 2. I think it's so cute. I love the scarf. And my friend April was like, did you buy that here? And I was like, no. Amazon. She's like, it's so cute. And I'm like, I know, right? Scarves are everything. I need like a billion. And it's so cool because it's like, how can I change my wardrobe with just accessories is so fun. And it completely makes a difference. Styling versus just, you know, wearing it. But like number 2. And then of course you could throw on this bag. So cute. My hair is so blonde, you guys. We did a bleach with no tone this time. We did a root tap, but we did no tone. And I'm kind of loving it. My mom never used to tone my hair when I was younger. She just used to bleach it. And I'm kind of loving it. I convinced my hair lady to not tone it, and I love it. It was a little bright at first, but now it's starting to kind of like tone down, and I think it'll naturally lighten a lot more. Anyways, so let's move on to look number 3. What did I pick for 3? Oh yeah, that top. So this is the outfit I wore. I put it on with jeans when we were at the airport, but then as soon as we landed, I changed into this, and we went to, what's that place? Acre or Acre, however you want to call it. We went there and had like some snacks and drinks after the airport, and then Floral Farms, and then went back to our resort. But let me put this outfit on and I'll show you how I wore it. I actually wore it with a different pair of shorts. I made the decision last minute, but I still really like these, and I think my other ones are in the washing machine. I did 7 loads of laundry when we got home. I was like, oh, this sucks. Anyway, these are just some little distressed, what's in my pocket? Nothing. These are just some little distressed shorts from Madewell that I've had for multiple years. They're some of my favorites. So put these on, and then I'm gonna put on that little Abercrombie top that I told you kind of matches the shorts. So this is the top. I originally ordered this, I want to say, in a medium, and then I had to exchange it, and thankfully it came in time for a small. So if you're in between sizes, or just like, the medium was huge, like huge. So I'm trying to tie this better. I did wear a bralette with this, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't want to go free boobed for like the entire plane, and then like hours after I was like, no, I'm just gonna wear a little bralette. I wouldn't if I'm just like wearing this for a couple of hours though. That's just personal preference. Not that I need to, I just feel more secure. Because sometimes if I wear no bra for a long time, it feels like, I don't know, just feels interesting. So I'm weighing those things. Now, I know so many people don't, and it's not a big deal, but to me, I just feel a little interesting. Okay, scarf. Again, I told you I'm into scarves. I love this green one, even though you don't think like super summery, I think it's so cute. And I'll show you the accessories that kind of make it pop. I also got these bracelets while I was there at the art walk. I love the colors, and I'm obsessed with anything like Evil Eye, which is so cute. I've been wearing Evil Eye stuff since I was in like college. I used to have, I think, a bracelet. Yeah, I've always had a bracelet. And then I had a bracelet 2 years ago that I bought, and it just stopped like cinching. It was weird, but anyway, this is the base. So I had it on with jeans and no scarf when I was in the airport, and then when we got there, I switched to jeans, like I said, and threw on the scarf. And then I wanted to pop my red shoe, and then I wore some necklaces. I wore a lot of chunky necklaces. So let me show you. I got all these necklaces for insanely cheap, and they're so cute. I wore most of them in the pool and everything and didn't care. Are they like the nicest quality in the world? No, I don't care. I love them. They're so fun, and they add so much element to an outfit. I can't with this bralette. Gosh, did I look like that? You know when you look back at yourself afterwards, you're like, was I really walking around like that all the time? Whatever. This chunky pearl one for years, I think, like probably 4 years. This is what I wore. So some fun, colorful jewelry, a fun, colorful shoe, very basic, easy outfit. I just feel like this looks a lot more elevated than just like jeans and a tank. You seeing that? I think you're seeing it. So, cute. Loved. Very basic, very simple. If you're not a ripped denim short girl, I get you. Sometimes I feel like it feels a little juvenile as well. I feel like with this, it's like, okay. And they're not like super short. I mean, they're short, but not like super short. But I think I wore my Zara ones instead, which were a mom short, a little bit longer and no rips, but either way, so cute. Okay, so that was look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. We're gonna keep all my jewelry on. I definitely wear these most of the time. I'm gonna add a longer one though too. But let's build that and put that together. So this was my like kicking around. Oh my God, I didn't tie my strap. My kicking around outfit. So I brought linen shorts, but I also brought linen pants, depending on what the weather was like. But I wanted to show you because I was wanting the Gap low rise linen pants for so long. I've been stocking them. They're out of stock. So I'll show you what I did with my H&M ones that I actually, so normally they're just like a traditional like waist, right? Kind of thicker, got the strap, and I was just like, I wanted something a little more casual. Hold on, let me put this tank on because it's falling and I just can't be bothered to tie it when I'm taking it off. I think this is navy blue and white and yellow. Got this from Old Navy. Okay, anyway, you see how this just kind of like is a weird situation, okay? So this is what I did. I just took and tuck it under once, and it's kind of like a low rise. I don't know who I am with low rise pants. Like, I'm not sure when I decided to do that, but I did. So you can tuck it once, or you definitely can tuck it twice, but I just did once, depending on how long your pants are too, and how low you want it. I did this with my black ones too, and I can still use my pockets if I just do it once. And then I just kind of laid this out. I think I got this tank in a medium because I didn't want it to be like super, super cropped. Or maybe, I don't remember what I did. I think I'll leave it in the description. But I loved this color, and I love it with all the fun necklaces as well. And I also did this long one too. Cute. And then baseball cap. This was my like, you know, mom outfit, but I thought it was so cute. Mom running to the putt-putt course situation, getting my sun out of my eyes, keeping the sun out of my eyes. And then, like I said, I wore these so much. My toe has become like immune to, you know, at first I was like, oh gosh, my toe, like in between my toes was like screaming for help. And then towards the end I was like, these are great. These are so comfortable. I'm going to wear these all summer long. So I loved this because here's the deal. Vacation wear does not have to look different than your normal wear. Like, you can pick one or two outfits, but like truly you're gonna feel the most comfortable if you're wearing things that you already know and love. So that was me with this outfit. This is summery, but it's also good for the beach. Or like, not the beach, but like, you know what I mean. Resort, cute, comfy, casual wear. So look number 4. Was that it? That was it. I have 4 more. We're gonna do the next one. I'm gonna do it right back to back. Do you guys care if I do that, or do you like a variety where it's like, I don't just post all of my outfits in a row, or like too many hauls in a row, or too many like Pinterest in a row, or do you care, or does it not matter to you? Because I've always tried to space it out, but I also kind of am like, when I have the content, why not just post the content? So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I thought it was kind of fun to show you a little bit of behind the scenes of like what I packed, what I wore while I was in Mexico. But still try to enjoy my vacation. I'm sorry. Maybe one day, but like, maybe it was just Scott and I, but we were with another family. We had our family, like we were just trying to really enjoy it. And I know you guys would understand that, like, that's my only vacation. So yeah, I love you guys. I actually do have another vacation planned this summer. We're going to Colorado. And I've never been to Colorado in the summer, so I'm actually really excited. But that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next outfits video. I have 4 more of night out outfits, and some other casual cute looks. So stay tuned. I love you guys. As always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.